Basel. Sunny, shiny. Bring your wicked fish. Off we go. 30 degrees, the sun is high. Not a single cloud in the blue Basel sky. Grab your wicked fish, pack your clothes inside. Jump into the Rhine for the ultimate ride. Das Wasser ist frisch, die Strömung ist stark. Better than a day in an amusement park. Let the river take you, drift away. Das ist der beste Basler Tag. Oh, floating down the Rhine, Basel's having fun. Schwimmen in der Sonne, hot like the sun. From bridge to bridge, what a beautiful view. Summer in Switzerland, just me and you. Jump right in, leave your boots on the shore. Basel in the summer, we just want more. We just want more. Floating past the Münster, waving to the crowd. People on the riverbank singing out loud. Someone's drinking Radler, someone's eating ice. Schwimmen im Rhein, oh man, it feels so nice. Die Altstadt behind us, feeling so free. This is the place where I wanna be. Let the river take you, drift away. Das ist der beste Basler Tag. Oh, floating down the Rhine, Basel's having fun. Schwimmen in der Sonne, hot like the sun. From bridge to bridge, what a beautiful view. Summer in Switzerland, just me and you. Jump right in, leave your boots on the shore. Basel in the summer, we just want more. We just want more. Stepping out in Klein Basel, wet and wild. Everyone is smiling like a happy child. Open up the wicked fish, everything is dry. Grab a cold drink, look up at the sky. Eins, zwei, drei, jump! Floating down the Rhine, Basel's having fun. Schwimmen in der Sonne, hot like
2026. What a trip. Floating on the Rhine, the summer was sweet.